Want to share your videos with the world? Imagine reaching millions of people with just a few taps on your phone. You can start a YouTube channel right from your phone. Yes, it's that simple. No need for fancy equipment or a professional studio. This is your guide to getting started. Let's do it. Whether you're a vlogger, gamer, or educator, this guide will walk you through every step. This guide will help you create your own channel. From setting up your account to uploading your first video, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from downloading the app to customizing your channel. Learn how to optimize your videos, engage with your audience, and grow your subscriber base. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. First, you need the YouTube app. It's free. Go to your App Store. That's the App Store for iPhone and Google Play for Android. Search for YouTube, find the app with the red and white play button. Tap Get or Install. Once it's done, open the app. You need a Google account to use YouTube. This account is your gateway to a world of videos, channels, and content creators. It allows you to like, comment, and subscribe to your favorite channels and even upload your own videos. If you use Gmail, you already have one. Your Gmail account is your Google account, which means you can use it to sign into YouTube without any extra steps. If not, it's easy to make one. Simply go to the Google sign-up page and fill in the required information. This includes your name, a new email address, and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. In the YouTube app, tap Sign In. This will take you to the Google Sign-In page where you can enter your account details. If you don't have a Google account, tap Create Account. This option will guide you through the process of setting up a new Google account directly from the YouTube app. Follow the steps to make a new account. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, birth date, and a recovery email or phone number. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have a Google account that you can use to access YouTube and all other Google services. Section 4. Making your channel. Creating your own YouTube channel is an exciting step towards sharing your content with the world. Whether you're planning to vlog, share tutorials, or showcase your talents, having a channel is essential. Now, let's make your channel. The process is simple and can be done right from your mobile device. First, open the YouTube app on your smartphone. In the YouTube app, tap your profile picture. This icon is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. It's your gateway to all your account settings and options. It's in the top right corner. Tap your channel. This will take you to a new screen where you can start setting up your channel. You'll see an option to create a channel. Tap it. This is where the fun begins. You get to personalize your channel and make it uniquely yours. Choose a name for your channel. Think carefully about this as it will represent your brand and identity on YouTube. Make it catchy and memorable. This is how people will find you. A good channel name can make a big difference in attracting viewers. Once you've chosen a name, you can start customizing your channel with a profile picture, banner, and description. These elements help to give your channel a professional look and feel. Don't forget to add a profile picture and a banner. These visuals are the first things people will see when they visit your channel. Make sure they are high quality and represent what your channel is about. Write a compelling description for your channel. This is your chance to tell potential subscribers what your channel is all about and why they should subscribe. Be clear, concise, and engaging. Finally, upload your first video. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Share your content with the world and start building your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Keep uploading regularly and engage with your viewers to grow your channel. Section 5. Customizing your channel. Make your channel your own. Add a profile picture and a banner image. Write a short bio to tell people about your channel. You can change these later too. Section 6. Channel settings. Go to your channel settings. Here you can control important things. Turn on notifications to see comments and likes. You can also choose to make money from your videos. Explore the settings to see what you can do.